Hi, you're watching Professor Blaze, and today I'm playing Factorio 1.1. I put down the blueprint for my Covarex process, and the iron plate lines don't exactly line up here. Let's fix that. I also dumped a bunch of stuff in my trash. The bots are coming to get it. So this belt here, I think is going to interfere with... I'll let the bots pick up stuff here. It's going to interfere with the beacons from the blueprint that are used to speed up machines. And this was going somewhere else before, so we can get rid of this whole thing. And this is iron plate right here. Okay, there's iron plate. Alright, you are going to go down there to nuclear fuel processing or nuclear fuel creation. We have nuclear fuel in there. You are waiting on uranium-235. Covarex. Are you getting primed with Covarex? So if you hover over the combinator right here, and you look in the drop down on the right, it will tell you how many have been counted. It says it's counted 8. If I click on the machine, there are in fact 8 in the machine. That appears to be working. So it'll take a while. There's another one right there. So it gets diverted down this way, it gets picked up, and now the counter says 9. It'll take a while for that to get primed and running, but it will. And like I said, we've got tons and tons of fuel. Nothing to worry about there. Okay, so let's... And then this will go down here, and this is to make fuel. And once these machines are all primed and running, then they will start outputting 235 on this belt, which will go down here, and then it will make fuel. Okay, we have this provider chest, we have this conveyor. We do not have... Okay, this needs to be researched yet. Okay, we're good though. We are good. We're not going to run out of fuel, as I said before. We have got lots and lots of fuel. Alright. What are you? You are an accumulator. Right here. Oh, it takes batteries. Okay, that's fine. We don't need to worry about that. That's just an alarm that detects when the power's getting low, and then this starts sounding an alarm. So we don't need that right now. Okay, iron plate is going to the correct place. Yes, yes, it is. Okay, good. House pollution. Pollution is growing, as always. Alright. I'm going to wall off in here someplace. I see an oil field I'd like to have inside the wall, so I'm thinking like right here and go up. And maybe up here, or maybe over here and go up. Like maybe right here and go up. And then go across, capture this iron, this oil, this copper, and then up here, there's oil there, iron there, and uranium there. So maybe wall off, maybe like go up here and then across like that with a wall. I'll do that off camera. I'm not going to make you watch all that, but I'll do that off camera. Put a wall here, a wall across there, a wall down here. Yeah. I think what I want to work on now, unless there's any fires I need to put out, I can't think. Oh, there was one thing I wanted to do. Turn the pollution off. The base is not all under RoboPort coverage. I noticed that when I was working on these belts. Yeah, they never got upgraded. So I do want to extend a RoboPort coverage over here. And that will give me the entire base if I just go over here a little bit. So let's do that. Oh, and then looks like we need a couple radar. I think I accidentally deleted a radar. So, do I have any radar? Yes, I do. I want to make sure we're all... Let's see, let's go down here. Looks like there's no radar coverage down here. Let's put a radar there. Let's put radar here. I'm just watching the mini-map to see how far this radar is going to cover. So right in there maybe. And what are you doing, bots? And let's put radar up here. Like that. And then over here. Around here maybe. Like that. Now where's my blueprint for RoboPort columns? So I want... Let's see, I want RoboPorts to go over here. Like that. Electric mining drill's in the way. Really? Oh, it's the power pole. It's the power pole. Okay, we don't care about the power pole. I'm more concerned about the RoboPorts. Like that. And we can do that and give you power. Come on, bot, you're slowing me down here. And, oops. And we can do that and give you power. So that'll give us RoboPort coverage over here. I think that's everything. Just I noticed there were some belts that we tried to upgrade, or I tried to upgrade. Oh, down here too. I'd use the upgrade planner to upgrade, and they never got upgraded, and I noticed that, and it's because they're not inside the robot network. And you are not in the robot network, so I can put maybe one here, like that. And like that. And now you are in the robot network. Okay, we don't need all that mine to be in the network. We could if we wanted to, but we don't need to. I will, when I wall off, I think I'm just going to extend the entire base network. It's getting marginal, that distance, but yeah, I'm going to do that all the way up, and then across, and then just wherever I decide here, just a vertical column, and then connect across like that. And then what I'll do is I have a grid that I put out there that will give us RoboPort coverage over a big area. I'll show you that today, how that grid looks. Okay. I mentioned the idea of smelting steel and bringing it in by rail, and I think I'm going to set that up today. It's going to, and this, extending the steel line really didn't do much because it's consuming everything. The iron ore is not making it down to the end. It can't. It's just being consumed. It's a full red belt coming in here, and it just gets gobbled up. So that really didn't do much to extending that. Basically, the blueprint that I had to start with is about as much as you can get in terms of steel production. So I'm going to run power poles which iron mine should I use? There's an iron mine here. I think I'm going to go to this one. And the reason I'm thinking there is because this is steel. I'm going to bring a rail line like above this coal, just bring a rail line across, and then down and put the station here. So let's just do that. Let's just do an unload station right here. Let me extend the roboport up here. No, not stores. Blueprints. Is that going to be in the way? That might be in the way. Let's do it over here, to the side a little bit. Like that. Is that going to work? Yeah, that'll work. Alright, let's put an unload station up here. I don't have an unload station. Oops. I guess I don't have an unload station. Well, I'll put the siding. Put the siding up here and make my own unload station. So if this is going to be steel unload, I can do like maybe there, and then a U-turn. Like maybe there. And then rail back down this way. Rail along like this. Let's make a copy of that. Put it here. So there is rail. And I want this to go... I want it to go over here somewhere. I could go across that rail line, or I could go up and then across like that. I think I like the idea of going up, just because it avoids having rails cross. So let me have a 90-degree turn, please. We can go up, and here's as good a place as any. And then we can go like this. And like this again. And I want to go over this coal mine. So where I am standing right now, would it be above the coal mine? So up there. Like that. That looks like that's high enough. And then a 90-degree turn, this one here. Like that. Yes, we are definitely high enough. Oh, I got two of those. Huh. Must have made a copy earlier. Didn't remember. And here's rail long, going this way. Okay, gotta clear out some trees. Okay, rail long, like that. Like that. that's fine. Do that. And then give me the U-turn. And U-turn here like that. And then give me a siding. Actually, load one side is what I want. Yes, load one side. Like this. And then smelting. Steel. 2 red belts of iron ore in. And this one is a center feed, but it's not steel, this is steel. Okay, 2 red belts in, let's do that. Okay, so let's do this here, like this. Right about there, maybe. I want steel. I want iron ore to go in. Smelt steel. Steel comes out. Gets loaded onto the train. And I'm leaving room for balancers if I need balancers. So something like that. And then I want this output line to go to the left instead of to the right. Like that. So there's the output line going to the left. Okay, and these are inputs. This is output. Like that. Okay, and that's only a yellow out again because it's very difficult to get a yellow belt full of steel. We're using 4 cars, which is way overkill, but that's fine. I mean, everything is set up for 1-4 trains, so I want to continue doing that. Okay, so this is steel out, this is iron in. Mining. Okay, I want this one. And I want, this is kind of squarish looking mine. We can do up. So I created a blueprint that is set up to snap to a grid. Just 6 mining drills with power poles. Now that I have bots, you just hold on to the blueprint, walk around, and the blueprint will get placed down. It will not put a mining drill unless there's ore under it. So you don't need to worry about that. So there we go. It's a very quick way to set up your mining operation. Okay, and then this is a very short build here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the little one on each end. Let's do a belt balancer. Let's do 5 to 2. See what that looks like. Yeah, that'll work. So that goes in there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is so small, I'm going to make this one go the other way. And then just go in the back of here, like that. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like this. Oops, too far. And then you can go down this way. And go into here. Like that. Okay. And then you need power. And you need power. Like that. Okay, you can finish building my balancer for me. I need more bots. And more roboports, personal roboports. Alright, I'm going to turn my bots off here for a bit. Okay, so mine here, ore goes up there, ore goes in there. Gets smelted into steel. Steel comes out here. Steel gets loaded onto a train. Okay, so let's do this. And you are going to be... Oops. You are going to be steel load. We'll call it 1, even though we're probably only going to have 1. Oh, steel color. How are you any different than anything else? That's an interesting question. Yes. Steel is just steel. Okay, whatever. You are now the color of steel. Alright, like that. And I don't even know if I have a train on me. Yes, I do. I have a locomotive in my pocket. Do I have any fuel? I do have fuel. Trees in the way. I know these are not in the way, there's no red X's, but I'm going to get rid of them anyway. And there's more trees down here. Okay, there's that. And you go this way, like that. And I ran onto rail. Okay, let's get some more rail. Get more rail, get more belts. Rails down here. Bots are bringing me stuff. See, now I got out of the Roboport zone. And they took the stuff back to the chests. And then there's different bots that went to the chest to retrieve belts and bring them back to me. I'll just stand here for a few seconds while they take away trash and bring me the stuff. All done, bots? You sure? Okay. Rail. Rail, station, signals, cargo wagons, cargo wagons, cargo wagons. Okay. Another station or two. Station, 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 station. Hello? Station. Here, up here. Here's station. Okay. And red belt, red undergrounds, red splitters, stack inserter, steel chests. Okay. You are going to be, oh, and let's see, steel furnaces. Can't make a smelting line without furnaces. Steel furnaces are down here in one of the stores. Right here. Yellow belt. I'm going to need yellow belt. Well, I could use red, but no reason to use all red, I suppose. Let's see. Do I have a bunch of yellow belt in storage? Or not? Oh, yes. Okay. You are going to be item equals steel plate unload. And again, steel plate color. I can't see up there, didn't put a radar. Okay, worry about that later. And then rail and wall, unload. Unload. Unload one side. Like that. Oh, and it just changed this, didn't it? Okay, now let's... Item equals... Put that back in there. Steel plate. Okay, and chess. You don't have power. Now you do. And you are going to go in here. So I want a 4-to-1, 4-to-1 balancer, and you're going to go this way. Okay, get rid of these trees. And this doesn't really need to be red because it's just really difficult to get that much steel, but I'll use red anyway. So we can do this like that. You can go here like that. And then you are going to go here like this. And then a red splitter like that. So that will be steel coming in. And that looks reasonable. And you had power, yes. Yes. What happened? Oh, there's no rail. Because I didn't finish it. Okay. Like that. You don't need to be there. You need to be there. Like that. Why is there 2 power poles? Why are you 2 power poles? Do you have power? Yes, you do. That's all that matters to me. Do you have power? Yes, you do. Okay. And you are called Steel Load 1. Schedule, add station. Oops, you're not called the right thing. I don't want you to be named Steel. I want you to be item equals steel plate. Oops, not capital S. Steel plate, load 1. Okay. Go to steel, load 1. Wait for full cargo. Go to steel, unload. Wait for empty cargo. I'm not standing on the track. No, I am not. Hey, get back here. How dare you run off and leave me behind? Let's try that again. Go to steel load 1. I think it moved again. Okay, cargo wagons. Cargo wagons, power poles. Power poles. Steel chests. No more steel chests. Can I craft steel chests? No. Okay, I need more steel chests. Oh, what is going on? You are not doing something right. That power pole does not belong there. Why are you putting that power pole in there? Maybe I have to run to the other direction? What are you doing to me here? What are you doing to me, game? Try that again. What happened to this inserter? Huh. One more time. No. They're not lining up, but well, I don't care. Come on, bots. Slow me down again. So I need more medium power poles. some faster bots, I think. Let's go, bots. Hurry up. How slow can you be? I think I can do that faster than you guys can. Should just turn you off and do it all manually. I'm out of inserters anyway, so I guess you're done now. Where are you going? Oh, you had one last inserter. What about mining drills? Do I have those? Yeah, maybe you can do that. Although I probably can still do it faster than you. Okay, turn the bots off because they're just slowing me down. Alright, I need power poles and is that it? Okay, I'm gonna load here. I want, does that look this, I don't know if I've even looked that up before. Let's see, belt balancer, is a 1 to 4 just the same thing as, yeah, same thing as a 4 to 1, it's just backwards. Well, that makes sense. Oops. Oh, come on, there we go. Wrong way. Try that again, there we go. You go there. You go there. Oops, you go there. You go there. And you go there. Okay, steel comes out of there, goes there, goes here, goes there. Oh, what's going on? It's the 1.1 update again. It's not putting a power pole or power wire over there. Okay, now it is. Now you've got power. I need more stack inserters. I need more steel chests. I need more medium power poles. Okay, stack inserter, steel chest, medium power poles. Stack inserters. Steel chest and medium power poles. Stack inserters. Come on, bots, hurry up. Steel chest. Medium power poles. Okay, bots, hurry, hurry, hurry. There we go. Little train fuel. over here, please. Okay, and you go there. Oh, there were stack inserters there. You have stack inserters? Yes, you do. Okay, power poles. What in the world? Oh, it's because they don't have inserters. Ah, I get it. Okay, I need inserters. All right. Well, I'll finish this. I'll finish doing this off camera so you can see what I'm going to do. I'm going to populate this, put the inserters in here, and finish hooking up power poles down here to get more iron ore coming in. And then the steel smelting setup will be complete. And then it'll be loading onto the train and taking it back to the main base and unloading at the main base. So that's the idea. I'll finish doing the tedious part off camera. So then it'll be, I don't know how much steel this is. I can't remember. I don't know if it's a full yellow belt or not, but we'll see once it's up and running. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. If you did like it, I'd appreciate it if you would click on that thumbs up button. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.